How's it going, guys? Welcome to local channel. Today we're just going to do a quick recap. We're not going to go into the intro or anything, but we're going to dive right deep into the technicals so you get a good understanding. So first off, today we're trying to trade some low cap stocks, right? And we're trying to short them, but we couldn't get no shorts available for us, a whole bunch of risk review. So we weren't able to get those big moves that we're looking for. Nonetheless, we still got off a trade on KSS. We got a nice entry, small profit, but nonetheless profit, right? So we got short as we recognize that there's a daily support line here. That's the red line there, and you got the 920 and VWAP there, and we shorted to break below them and hold below them as we did. We just exited out on the last 5 minute candle there around 90 something. Check my orders. I know, look, you could see all the canceled orders, failed canceled orders. I tried so many times. But yeah, on this we got short at 52 45 52, right? Right here at exact point which I said, and then we got our final fill on 44.92, which is right down here. So, if we taken more shares, that would have been a bigger winner. But I had all the emotions going from not getting any shorts available like 20 times on the other stocks I was trying to trade, but still came out with a profit. Hopefully next time we'll probably stay away from those low caps. I don't trade those low caps anymore. But yeah, that's all for this video. Hopefully you guys got the value out of it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you guys again.